Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie to gain weight. Start with a high-calorie liquid base, like whole milk or coconut milk, to increase your caloric intake. Next, incorporate healthy fats such as a generous scoop of peanut butter or half an avocado for added energy. Don't forget your protein. Greek yogurt or a scoop of protein powder works wonders. Finally, add fruits like bananas or dates for natural sweetness and more calories. To truly maximize your smoothie's caloric density, consider adding ingredients like rolled oats or granola for complex carbohydrates. Seeds such as chia or flax are excellent for healthy fats and fiber. Always opt for full-fat dairy products, like whole milk or full-fat yogurt, over their low-fat counterparts. For a substantial boost, a quality weight gainer supplement can significantly increase your calorie count without adding much volume. Achieving the perfect smoothie texture is key. Start by blending your liquid and softer ingredients, like ripe bananas, before adding harder items such as ice or frozen fruit. Ensure you use enough liquid to create a smooth, creamy consistency, avoiding a thick, unblendable mixture. You can adjust the sweetness naturally with a tablespoon of honey or maple syrup. For convenience, pre-portion ingredients into bags for quick blending. Here's a simple recipe to get you started. Combine 1 cup of whole milk, 1 ripe banana, and 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Next, add half a cup of full-fat Greek yogurt and 1/4 cup of rolled oats. Blend all ingredients until completely smooth and creamy. Enjoy this delicious, calorie-dense smoothie immediately. For best results, incorporate 1 or 2 of these smoothies into your daily routine as a snack or meal replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.